All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that literally trips up countless business owners and agencies, and that's GoHighLevel's pricing tiers. But more importantly, we're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the hidden costs, specifically those tricky usage fees that quietly impact your billing every single month. And actually, we're going to show you how to turn those exact costs to your advantage. So if you've been staring at their pricing page just scratching your head, you are in exactly the right place.
Let's just get right to the core issue here. Are you paying for features you don't even use, or are you hitting a total brick wall when you try to grow? Because, look, here's what usually happens when people jump into a massive software platform without a clear map. They either buy the absolute most expensive plan and leave half the tools untouched, literally just burning money month after month, or they grab the cheapest plan, land a few clients, and suddenly hit this massive bottleneck. This explainer is your ultimate guide to dodging both of those traps.
So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the all-in-one business engine, then unpack those hidden usage fees. After that, we're breaking down the three main tiers, starting simple at $97, removing limits at $297, and profiting from tools at $497. Finally, we'll help you choose your perfect plan.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the all-in-one business engine. You know, GoHighLevel isn't just one single tool. It's an entire all-in-one marketing platform. Just imagine taking 5 different apps, okay? So one for your emails, one for text follow-ups, one for building sales funnels, a calendar app, and a CRM for your customer list, and trying to duct tape all of them together. It's a total headache, right? Well, this platform replaces all of those, bringing everything under one single roof. It literally becomes the engine that runs your entire business. Now, to understand how they actually charge for this engine, you've got to understand the sub-account. Simply put, a sub-account is just a separate workspace. Say you're a freelancer. You might have one workspace for a local gym you do marketing for, another one for a dentist, maybe a third for a coffee shop. Each client gets their own totally separate space with their own contacts and campaigns, and you run the whole shebang from one single login. Grasping this workspace concept is absolutely crucial for understanding the pricing limits we're about to get into.
Moving right along to Section 2, unpacking hidden usage fees. Okay, so here's what I like to call the iceberg concept. Your monthly plan price, it's actually not your full bill. See, whenever you're sending text messages, blasting out emails, making phone calls through the system, or using their AI tools, it requires you to load up a wallet. This usage-based billing really impacts you because as you scale up your marketing campaigns, these little microtransactions add up on top of your fixed subscription base. Basically, you put a little bit of money into this digital wallet, and it pays for your usage as you go.
But hey, before you panic, just think about this number, 1 cent. A text message costs about a penny, and emails are literally fractions of a cent. It's incredibly cheap, but, and this is a big but, it's vital to know it's there. A penny is nothing on its own for sure, but if you decide to send a massive 50,000 SMS holiday blast to your list, well, that's a sudden $500 hit to your wallet that you definitely need to budget for.
So just keep this hidden cost checklist in mind. Texts, emails, and AI tools will slowly draw from that wallet. Now that you're fully prepared and really understand how these usage fees compound and impact your baseline billing as you scale, let's dive into the actual subscription tiers.
Which brings us to Section 3, starting simple with the $97 plan.
For $97 a month, you are getting an absolutely incredible amount of firepower. We're talking the CRM to organize your leads, automations, funnels, websites, calendars, plus your text and email marketing. It is custom-built for solo entrepreneurs, small business owners, and freelancers who are just getting their feet wet. But there is a hard cap here. You're limited to exactly 3 sub-accounts. The very second you land that 4th client, boom, you hit a ceiling and you are stuck. You literally cannot add them without upgrading.
Let's move on to Section 4, removing limits with the $297 plan.
So the unlimited plan gives you everything from that starter tier, but it introduces 2 massive upgrades. First up, unlimited sub-accounts. No more caps, period. Second is white labeling, which, is really just a fancy way of saying you can slap your own business name and your own logo right on the software. Imagine your client logging in and seeing your logo. They don't see GoHighLevel's branding at all. If you're looking to appear as a premium, established agency, this is the giant flashing sign that you need to upgrade.
Let's just consider the math behind this for a second. Whether you have 3 clients, 10 clients, or even 200 clients, your baseline software cost stays exactly the same at $297 a month. Think about what that does to your business. As you scale up and bring on more clients paying you monthly retainers, your core software expense
doesn't move an inch. That means your profit margins get substantially better with every single new client you sign. It's a real game changer.
Next up is Section 5, Profiting from Tools on the $497 plan. Okay, this is where we completely flip the script on profit margins. The first major upgrade at this $497 tier is automation. See, on the $297 plan, setting up a new client's sub-account takes, about 15 to 20 minutes of manual data entry. But here, a client visits your site, they pay, and their account is created instantly and automatically. You don't even lift a finger. It completely transforms you from a standard agency into a full-blown software-as-a-service or SaaS company. Now, remember that wallet we talked about earlier? Those usage fees for texts and emails? At the $297 tier, those are simply business costs. But on the $497 plan, the system actually allows you to mark up the cost of those tools. You can charge your clients slightly more than GoHighLevel charges you, and you keep the difference. You're literally turning a hidden billing expense into an invisible, recurring profit center for your own software business. Every single time your client sends a text message, you make a tiny bit of profit. It is incredibly powerful.
Let's wrap things up with Section 6, Choosing Your Perfect Plan. Just a few really important things to note before you make a choice. First off, you do not need to buy both the $297 and $497 plans. They replace each other, so definitely don't waste your money buying both. Also, you're never locked in. You can upgrade as you grow, but you can also downgrade back to the $97 plan anytime if things just aren't working out. There are also a couple of optional add-ons, like an AI employee that answers messages and writes content for $97 a month, and a white label mobile app for $47 a month, so your clients can download your custom-branded app right from the App Store. And hey, if you don't want to pay that, there's a free unbranded app called Lead Connector you can use instead.
So to quickly summarize your options here, if you're a solo entrepreneur or small business, the $97 plan with its 3 sub-accounts gives you all the tools you need without breaking the bank. If you're a growing agency ready to look highly professional, that $297 plan gives you unlimited sub-accounts and your own custom branding. And finally, if you want to become a software CEO, enjoying those automatic signups and turning those tiny usage fees into a recurring profit stream, the $497 plan is absolutely your destination.
Which brings us to our final question for you. Which tier will power the engine of your business next? Now that you actually understand how these tiers work, and you know the true hidden impact of usage fees on your billing as you scale, take a moment to evaluate your own trajectory. Don't overpay for tools you aren't ready for yet, but definitely don't let a small plan bottleneck your potential either. Start right where you are and let the software grow right alongside you.